When the COVID pandemic struck, many companies found themselves struggling to determine their cash situation. How long could they meet their expenses? Should they file for assistance? And if so, how much would they need? It quickly became obvious that monitoring cash flow was lacking in many organizations, and even more apparent was how long it takes for most companies to put together a solid cash flow analysis. By the time data was gathered and measured, the entire financial position had changed. The importance of data analytics platforms such as Analogyx BI surged as companies realized the importance of being able to quickly and easily view analysis of their data from wherever they may be located. Today, we're going to take a look at Analogyx Cash Flow Projection Dashboard, which is just one part of our extensive financial metrics toolsets. We'll begin with our CFO Executive Dashboard, which gives CFOs and the senior finance team an overview of all your important metrics across all areas of the company, with the ability to drill down as needed. This dashboard comes out of the box as is, at no additional cost, but can be configured with whichever metrics an individual user needs to see. Each metric contains a digital value, a trend analysis, and percent change value and indicator per time period. We can also change the time period for the entire executive dashboard by simply using our time filter. Here you'll notice our metric detailing our cash in bank, which is a consolidation of all bank accounts within our organization. By using our Navigate to Details icon located under this metric, we can dive into our cash flow projection to get a better understanding of our cash position. Within our cash flow projection dashboard, we first see a snapshot of our big three KPIs, cash in bank, AP past due, and AR past due, at the top for easy viewing. The details for these KPIs are highlighted in the following charts. With Analogyx BI's easy-to-use interface, each of these metrics can be based on time ranges of your choosing. Here we see our cash projection for the upcoming weeks. Next is AR due in, showing invoices that are already created and sent to customers. The orange bar shows the amount based on the scheduled due date, while the blue bar details our AR due based on the invoice customer's average days to pay. So, we're able to compare theory to reality for a more complete picture based on our customers' actual payment behaviors. Our backlog due is based on open orders with the assumption they will be shipped by due date, and the customer pays per their payment terms. AP due details invoices already received from the supplier based on payment due date. Here we have open PO payables, which are purchase orders you expect to receive based on the due date and the payment you will have to make based on the supplier's payment terms. All of this information leads to an easy visualization of your cash in versus cash out projections for the upcoming weeks. We can also add a lot of other cash incoming outgoing transaction types, such as employee salaries, insurance, maintenance, EMIs, fixed overhead, and/or miscellaneous charges as desired to provide a complete big picture view of your cash position. Cash flow projection, just another way that Analogyx BI can provide you with the critical tools your company needs to thrive in today's challenging environment. Get Analogyx BI and get visual.